Hi, I'm Mona from Drunk Elephant. I'm so excited to talk to you today about Protini Polypeptide Cream. So here's the scoop. Protini is a lightweight gel moisturizer. It's like a shot of protein for your skin. It visibly improves your skin's tone, texture, firmness. It also replenishes your skin's moisture while soothing your skin at the same time. Protini cream helps revive skin and restore a youthful bounce almost from the first use. Now let's break it down. These 9-signal peptides support the natural production of collagen while binding moisture to your skin. The amino acids strengthen and support the skin barrier while maintaining elasticity, which, let's be real, is what we all want. The formula also contains pygmy water lily, which adds tons of antioxidants and is extremely moisturizing and soothing to your skin. You can use Protini cream day or night. Apply a pump to a clean, dry face and neck. This lightweight cream absorbs quickly into your skin. You can mix it with any Drunk Elephant serum or oil in the palm of your hand and apply. We call this a smoothie. I use Protini in the morning. My favorite smoothie is C-Firma Fresh, B-Hydra, and Protini. Drunk Elephant formulas are biocompatible, free of silicones, and easily absorbed, so you don't have to worry about layering. Protini is my go-to daily moisturizer that I can't live without, and I'm sure once you try it, you'll feel the same.